you're only using shampoo in the shower, keep doing that because you're well on your way to losing all your hair. To effectively promote hair growth, you need to use the right type of scalp massage. To do this, place the palms of your hand on your scalp, press down tightly, and start moving the scalp over your skull. You're gonna start at the back and work all the way up to the front. This technique increases blood flow to the dermis layer of your skin, which promote hair growth.
Three, two, one.
Oh my God! Wow!
What's me? Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome to my video. Our video for today guys about hair care routine for healthy and shiny hair. Kung paano yung buhok natin ipaging healthy and shiny din siya. So you can use guys coconut milk. Like my hair guys, as you can see, What? Din siya guys. So guys, ang ginagamit ko guys, coconut milk. So
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
coconut milk. So ganito siya guys. So ito lang guys, coconut milk as you can see. Natural guys. Natural guys, walang halo. So, panoorin niyo guys kung paano mag-use sa kanya. So, ganito siya guys. Ganyan siya guys. Imikos-mikos mo siya guys. Ganyan, imikos-mikos. And then guys,
Oh my God!
after that guys, pagkatapos ka na guys mag-use, bibigyan mo lang siya time. Mga 30 to 40 minutes pwede na siya. And then, pagkatapos nila guys, pwede ka na maligo. So, nandoon nakita mong resulta kung kaano siya mag-healthy and shiny din siya. So guys, pero kapag nag-use kayo guys, every morning siya, around 6 to 7 AM pwede ka mag-use. So, kapag tapos kayo guys mag-use, bibigyan mo siya time, mga 30 to 40 minutes, and then before ka maligo. So, nandoon yung nakita mong resulta kung kaano siya maging healthy and shiny din siya. So guys, so hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching and God bless.